Hi, in this video, I want to share with you how problems that is faced by my client. And by the end of the video, I will share you how to get the solution. Now, here is the problem: is that we have a stat column chart for each year. So 2016, stacking it up, 2016, there will be a total right here. And then for this year will be this, but the thing is that the my clients wants to have a total in the fourth column here. It's going to be the total for this fourth column. Now if I change it to say 200, and notice that this will change. See, it will change. And 300, it will change, and so forth. And also there should be a line drawing between this, so I can just easily change the to here. Now that is what she wants, and at the moment what she do is that she will do it, will draw boxes here manually, or cut and paste according to what she says, is painting it, and then adjust it every month. So she want to find out a quicker way, just like what I show here, right? It will automatic change. So without her to cut and paste, do the paint and do some adjust editing. So here I show you it is possible, but how to do that, I will share with you in my platform. And thank you very much. I hope this will surely shorten the time. There are many cool things that Excel can do with data change. Thank you.